Today's menu is kimchi sambal, using kimchi everyone has in a Korean fridge and is loved all over the world. Then, shall we make a kimchi sambal? First of all, I have to run out of the ingredients for the fridge, so I will shoot a special one. Please, fridge! Slice the carrots, then pumpkin and onion. Put it in the chopper and grind them. Put a little oil in the pan, add the ground vegetable, and fry over medium heat. As the beef turns, add soy sauce and garlic to the ground beef. When the sweet beef is done, shall we add the rice now? Add oyster sauce and stir fry, lightly with salt and pepper. Almost all fried. Lastly, fry quickly over high heat. It's the process of making the rice hard. Put the fried rice in a bowl and stir in the sesame oil and the seeds. I spread the fried rice in a bowl and cool it down. Having it with my daughter, so I use white kimchi. I recommend you to rinse the kimchi leaves in cold water instead of a white one. Drain the white kimchi. Make rice ball. If it's too big, the cabbage won't roll, so please be careful with egg with big hands. When the fried rice is cool enough to handle, make a rice ball by pressing between your palms. Leave on the lid part and cut off the white part. Put a lump of rice ball on the top and load it up. Fold in the sides and keep rolling up. Repeat until all the rice ball is used up. I roll the remaining rice balls in the same way. Egokja, who loves Korean food, will love so much. Make a special dish kimchi sambal using kimchi and enjoy it. You will surely fall in love with the taste. See you next time!